Every spring, the University of Washington's quad turns into a sea of pink and white. These Yoshino cherry trees, planted decades ago, signal Seattle's winter is finally over. Crowds gather under the petals, cameras ready, taking in the brief magic of full bloom. It's fleeting, just a week or two, but that's what makes it all so special. Seattle has a long history with these trees. The first one was planted in Seward Park in 1929, and over the years, thousands more have been added. A lot of them gifted from Japan as a symbol of friendship. The blossoms remind us beauty doesn't last forever, so enjoy it while it's here. It all ends in a couple of weeks with Sakura Fubuki, which literally means cherry blossom blizzard, describing petals falling like snow in the wind.